Hey guys, Chef Redbeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. I have a pumpkin seed milk. It's going to be a raw pumpkin milk that we're going to use from the uncut pumpkin seeds that we have from our pumpkin. This pumpkin milk can be used to make overnight oats, for your cereals, or just to have another plant-based milk. So here we have about 1.5 cups of pumpkin seeds. They've just been soaking for about 8 hours. I'm going to add that to our blender. You want to be sure to not get any of the actual pumpkin in here, as it'll make it bitter. So we just have seeds. They've been rinsed and soaked again for 8 hours. To that, we're going to add a pinch of salt. I know it's milk, but salt is going to help bring out the actual pumpkin seed flavor. To that, 3 cups of filtered water. And for just a bit of sweetness, some agave, about a tablespoon. I'm going to give that a blend. So that looks blended. Now we're going to take, this is a nut bag for making seeded or nut milks. You can use cheesecloth or something to strain it, but these are relatively cheap, easy to find. They're reusable, so you can just rinse that out. So from here, oh yeah. So we're going to pour our seeded milk directly into this bag. And this is going to just catch all the little pithy parts and the husks of the seeds. 1 cup, or about 1.5 cups of pumpkin seeds to 3 cups of the water are going to yield us 4 cups. So you can let this sit and drain, or you can drain it out yourself. So then once you get it enough, you can start to gently apply pressure just to squeeze it out. You don't want to apply too much pressure. You'll pop the bag and you'll just have to start this whole process of straining all over. But there's a lot of moisture or good seed milk still in here that we want to extract, just so we can get our full yield back to about 3.5 to 4 cups. Maybe 3 cups. Beautiful. Pumpkin seed milk.